Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare pasta salad with mayonnaise. This classic dish is a crowd pleaser, perfect for any gathering. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of short pasta, 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise, 2 crisp celery stalks, and 1 small red onion. Don't forget 1/2 cup of sweet pickle relish and 2 tablespoons of tangy Dijon mustard to complete our flavor profile. Let's get cooking. Achieving the perfect pasta texture is crucial for a great salad. First, bring a large pot of generously salted water to a vigorous boil. Add your 1 pound of short pasta, cooking it until it's perfectly al dente, which means firm to the bite. Immediately drain the pasta and rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process. This step also prevents the pasta from sticking together and ensures it's cool before combining with the creamy dressing. This cooling is key for a delightful texture. Now let's create the heart of our pasta salad, the creamy mayonnaise dressing. In a spacious bowl, combine your 1 cup of rich mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of zesty Dijon mustard. Next, fold in 1/2 cup of sweet pickle relish, which adds a wonderful balance of sweetness and acidity. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk everything together until you have a perfectly smooth and uniform dressing, ready to coat our pasta. With our pasta cooled and our dressing prepared, it's time to bring everything together. Add the completely cooled pasta, along with your finely chopped 2 celery stalks and 1 small red onion, to the bowl containing the creamy dressing. Gently fold all the ingredients until every piece of pasta is beautifully coated. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the pasta salad for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling period is essential for the flavors to fully meld and develop, resulting in a truly delicious dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.